Welcome everybody to another episode of Cooking with Two Guys. My name is Raymond Garcia and this is my assistant,
Big Papi Alex.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to bake chocolate chip cookies.
But with a twist. We're going to be converting from moles into the ingredients, but we'll show you how to do that later. I'm going to be doing the calculations for sugar. So I have 0.44 moles of sugar and I got to convert it into cups of sugar. So sugar has the chemical formula C12H22O11. That gives us, 12 atoms of carbon gives us 144.1284. 22 atoms of hydrogen gives us 22.1748. 11 atoms of oxygen gives us 175.989. In total, that gives us 342.29208. What all those numbers means is that 1 mole of sugar is equal to 342.29208. Now, sugar right here, we gotta find it. 198.73 grams of sugar is equal to 1 cup of sugar, and that's the measurement that we want. So now I go to the calculator and I type all these numbers in. 0.44 times 342.29208 divided by 198.73. That gives us 0.75 cups of sugar. 0.75 cups of sugar, which is the same thing as 3/4 cups.
Alright, so we're trying to find 0.624 moles of eggs. So let's start by writing this down. Mole of eggs. So what we need to do is look at the chemical formula for eggs. Eggs is C6H12O3N2. So we would write this down over here. C6H12O3 and N2. Okay, so we have to add all this together, and that will give us 160.1 gram. I'll write this down again. So 1 mole will give us 160.1 grams of C6H12O3N2. Our next step is to look at our unit conversions. And we see that 1 large egg equals 50 grams. So in order to cancel out the grams, we must put 50 grams over here. And we put 1 large egg. So 0.624 moles of eggs times 160.1 divided by 50 will give us 1.998048. So if we want to round that, we'll round that to 2. So we'll have 2 large eggs.
I'm going to be converting 0.036 moles of salt into teaspoons. So 0.036 moles of salt. The chemical formula for salt is NaCl. The atomic weight of NaCl is 58.44276928 grams. all of that is equal to just 1 mole of salt. So 4.16 grams of salt is equal to 1 teaspoon of salt. So I get the calculator and 0.036 times 58.4427698 divided by 4.16 is equal to 0.50 teaspoons of salt.
So I'm going to be solving 1.084 moles of butter. Now, I will start by writing out the given. So 1.084 moles of butter. Now, as we scroll through the packet, we see that butter has 9 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. So we need to find the molar mass of that combined. So write this out right here. So 1 mole is equal to, we have to find this right here. So 9 carbon atoms equals 108.0963. 14 hydrogen atoms equals 14.1116, and 6 oxygen atoms equals 95.9964. That gives you 218.2. So we will write that up here. 218.2 grams of C9H14O6. Next step, 1 cup of butter gives you 236.59 grams. So I get my calculator, and 1.084 times 218.2 divided by 236.59 gives me 0.99741324, but I will round that to 1, so I'll have 1 cup of butter.
Hey guys, welcome back. Here in front of me we have all the ingredients required to make the cookies. We have vanilla extract, flour, white sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, and chocolate chips. But we have one small problem. All the measurements are in moles, and we have to convert them from moles into the correct measurements. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I'm going to be converting sugar. Right here, it's white cane sugar. So we have the amount 0.44 moles of sugar. I don't know about you, but I've never cooked with moles, so I must convert it. Sugar. In order to convert it, we need the molecular weight. To find the molecular weight, we need to add up all the atoms. Sugar has 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, and 11 oxygen atoms. I must use the periodic table in my phone. 12 carbon atoms are 144.1284 grams. 22 hydrogen atoms is equal to 22.17468. 11 of oxygen is equal to 175.989. Okay? Once you add up all those numbers, that equals 342.29208. So 1 mole of sugar is equal to 342.29208 grams of sugar. Now that I have the grams, I must convert it to teaspoons, I believe. No, to cups, I'm sorry. So 198.73
and good night.
grams is equal to 1 cup of sugar. Now I calculate. Times 342.29208 divided by 198.73. The answer is 0.075. That is equal to 3/4 cup of sugar. Welcome back. Now that we've got the correct measurements for all the ingredients, it's time to mix them.
So let's get started. So we're gonna start by pouring 2 1/4 cups of flour.
It was our pleasure, mister.
Now, 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Next,
Now, half a teaspoon
of salt. Alright, next,
1 cup of butter, which we have already
so let's pour the butter. Next, we have 3/4 of brown sugar.
Three-fourths cup of white sugar. And 2 eggs.
Now the 2 eggs.
Let's count. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Put it in the form, please. Yeah. I'm gonna pour it over here. Yeah, one more.
Now, a cup and a half
Of chocolate chips, which we already have.
That's right here.
Pour that in there.
And now we stir.
Mix it. Mix.
We're gonna scoop up a teaspoon to make 2.5 inch cookies. So let's get started.
Now that we have placed the cookies on a tray, we will put them in the preheated oven at 375 and let them cook for about 9 to 11 minutes.
Finished baking the cookies. Let's see how they taste. Really good.
It's alright.
Let's get some people from the audience to test it out. Can I get Carolina Garcia, please? Tell me how they taste. There you have it. Now stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Two Guys.